Hello, this is Akiba Otaku. Sorry for not having much uploads. I've been neglecting it because it takes me a long time to edit my videos, but this time I'd like to ask what kind of places do Japanese anime lovers buy? I will introduce you to the following. Akihabara is one of the most expensive places to buy anime goods. It's what we call inbound oriented. So I will introduce my usual shopping. Let's go. It's expensive and not enough stock in Tokyo, so I'm heading to Saitama. The first was a used bookstore, but it also has figures, games, and cards. The store prohibited photography in the store. Sailor Moon was sold at a discount. They were of high quality and popular, but they were around 1,000 yen. Next was a card captor Sakura figure. There was no box, but there were no scratches, so I bought it. Next is the famous Off series of stores. Here, too, figures are sold at low prices. By the way, the prices are quite different from store to store, so it may be easier to find a good deal if you know the market price. What I bought was a Dragon Ball towel set. What a surprise, it was 110 yen for multiple pieces. I bought it thinking I would give it as a gift to a tour guest as a souvenir. Next was a Fire Emblem figure. I guess I was lucky because it was about 3,000 yen online. And next was Gojo Satoru. This price was the luckiest. Next was Code Geass. It's hard to find goods for old anime, so I hope this is as good as it gets. Saitama is close to Tokyo, but like the countryside, all the stores are big. The arcades are also big and varied. From fighting games to shooting games, there are many. Some of them are 50 yen, so they are interesting. And there are also crane games. In some cases, there is a disposal table. These are often expensive, costing from 300 yen to 500 yen per game. However, it is easy to get them, so if you find one, you might want to give it a try. Next is Treasure Factory. This is another store that deals in used goods. The one I bought was Kurosaki Ichigo of Bleach, Naruto's Uchiha Itachi, heroines from old games, and Goku from Dragon Ball. I didn't notice that the Bleach Ichigo was already opened, so the price might have been reasonable. Next is the Book Off Super Bazaar. It's huge, so you can enjoy the best. But it was smaller than I expected. Also, there were quite a few foreigners there, and the variety of products was less than I expected. However, the variety of small goods was amazing, so if you don't mainly buy figures, I might recommend it. It was very organized and very fun. However, the prices might have been a little high. The big place is much bigger, so if you are interested, please go there. What I bought was a Macross figure. This quality was a bargain at 900 yen. Another Macross. This series is also high quality, so I bought it. The last one is also an OFF-related store. There were a variety of games, and many rare items, perhaps because foreigners do not come here. So all the things I bought here were also figures. Demon Slayer, right? For this price, I thought it was a good deal. The Yu-Gi-Oh! Is the most expensive lottery, so it should be more expensive. It was probably around 8,000 yen, but for some reason it was cheap, so I bought it. I bought various last items like this. I bought a lot of products like this. I think there were many bargains. Each store has its own special features, so some stores are for people who like electronics and cards. There are also tours that allow you to go sightseeing while visiting these places, so if you are interested, please inquire. Thank you for seeing me to the end.